Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, we're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to do something I've been meaning to do for quite a while. We're going to take up the FLYFANS K-8 Red Falcon and we're going to do a speed test on it. I got the GNS performance analyzer inside there and take her up and have some fun and see how fast I can make this little bird move. Running a China Hobby 6S 2.7, 2700 millimeter or 2700 mAh 6S. Alright, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Make sure I'm reading.
Motor off. Motor on.
And I'm reading. Okay, put my butt in your face there, sorry. Alright, let me put my good ear towards my precious here. So glad she gets to be filmed for me today. Alright, this is from what I understand, a Korean jet trainer. Wind is kind of out down the runway, back and forth. So, alright, right, left, up, down, left. Alright. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Not going to use takeoff flaps because I'm kind of going into the wind. Reaching for the imaginary retracts that I don't have. Alright. I'll go back here and come back the other direction. Take it up into a dive. Okay, flip it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Alright, there's my speed. Running an AR620 antennaless receiver. Let's go ahead and land her now. Now she has fixed gear. Well, I'm going to have to use the flaps. Never mind.
Landing flap.
Whoa. Wow.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
She's all over the place. Very, very light plane. Very light plane. All right, let's see what kind of speed we had. Not bad for such a little plane. 86 miles an hour. 86. All right. Go ahead and turn that off. Let's just complete our flight now for fun.
Motor on.
All right, I'm just going to stay out here. No, I'm not, because when I turn away with the mic, it interferes with signal on the mic. All right, still got.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
All right, going to take it up, flip it. Just lost a tank. One of my tanks came off. I'll worry about finding out later. This is not a heavy wind day. Unless I had if I had a gyro in this, it might be a little bit better, but it's a very light plane.
Time remaining 1 minute.
She's all over the place. Good looking plane though. But she's all over the place.
Landing flaps.
Definitely had to hold that rudder in to keep her straight for landing. Yeah, I need to glue them tanks on, or just not use them at all. All right,
Motor off.
-1 tank. Let's go back to the bench. Get your battery report.
Flaps up.
All right, we're back. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this other tank, and next flight we'll just they don't hold on that well. I really shouldn't have even had them on there, but that's okay. Well, I'll find that other one eventually. That is where I have the GNS performance analyzer. You need to turn that off with the app, because otherwise it continues to search for GPS and it'll start sucking the battery down on it. Now, it has a very long life battery. It's not that big of a concern, but if you're going to be flying all day and doing a bunch of speed tests, you need to turn it off after each flight. But once it's found that the satellite, it finds it very quickly the next time. This plane has an XT60 connector to show you where I have the battery. That's where I've got the China Hobby 2700 6S. Let me put the hatch back on real quick just so I can show you the pin style latch. Fixed gear. I don't remember the actual numbers, but I want to say that's about 50 millimeters back from the leading edge of the wing. If you find your line where the servo wires are out to the ailerons and the flaps, put your finger right behind that. Feel for that perforation where the wires are, and you put your finger right behind that, and that's where she CG's at. And even with a battery, she pretty, it's hard to tell this wind. That's pretty good right there. Now this antenna here, I like to take it off, and I just leave it inside because it's very sharp. This antenna, I just poke it right in there. I leave it inside because it actually has a very sharp point. I've cut myself on it a couple of times. Let me grab my, oh, hold on, let me go get my battery checker. All right. 39%. So anything between 25 and 35 is good. So that's a good storage rate. And folks, that is the K-8 Red Falcon from Banana Hobby. It's the distributor, and FLYFANS is the manufacturer. Just a good solid. They sell this in the 4S and the 6S. This one is the 6S, and it's the same price for 6S or 4S. So to me, and they both come, that comes with the suspension gear. So to me, it's a no-brainer. Get the 6S. So anyways, there you go. But she flies well. I've had the 4S one too. She flies well on 4S, just not as fast. Good flying plane. I think Banana Hobby, as of today is the 10th of December 24, I think they're out, but this is a popular plane, so they'll be getting more in soon, probably after the first of the year. So, all right, y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and that is the K-8 Red Falcon from FLYFANS. Bye-bye.